and welcome back to Pizzicato Peeps. Today we are going to tackle how to get a full bow. Lots of folks struggle with this. So here are some ideas. First, we're going to do something called tapping. We're going to place our bow at the frog and we're going to tap. Now we're going to place our bow at the tip and we're going to tap. Frog, tip, frog, tip. When you're really good at that, you can try pulling a straight bow and getting all the way to the tip. There's one idea. Now another idea is the stop bow. So we're going to do 4 stops. We're going to split our bow into 4 equal parts. 2, 3, 4. Now go reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4. When that feels really comfortable, you can start to smoothly glide your bow till you have the whole bow. There you go, a couple of ideas. I hope that gets you on the path to a nice long bow.